The Young Maker is a coding and robotics school for students between 4 to 16 years old. And as founders ourselves, we enjoyed tinkering since young. So our goal was to create a space and ecosystem for the young generation to bring their dreams to fruition. So with AI being an integral part of modern technology, we have today integrated artificial intelligence into our existing curriculum. So we have 3 segments to the workshop. The first is what is artificial intelligence, what's machine learning. Second would be the students will learn to train an AI model for image recognition and sound recognition. And the last one being the theme of today's workshop, digital safety, how students are able to discern what real image is and what is created by deepfake.
My favorite part was when we had to try this app and see if we could recognize our face.
During the lesson, I learned that AI can be dangerous and images can be deep fakes. So we gotta figure it out if it's true image or a deep fake.
Today I learned what was AI, and I learned that you can put an image into some websites that detect if it's a real or fake images.
So the generation today consume digital content at a scale and volume larger than previous generation. It is important for them to discern what they see online. And in recent years, we see a rise in scam as well as AI-driven manipulated information targeting the vulnerable groups. And we felt responsible to equip the young to navigate this digital landscape safely.